Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making beef and broccoli. All of the ingredients can be found in the description box below and throughout the video. First, we're starting off with marinating some beef. I used beef that's usually used for stew, but traditionally thin strips of meat are better to use because they stir fry quickly. This marinade is made from soy sauce, baking soda, and cornstarch. You'll notice that all of the salt and sodium comes from the soy sauce. The baking soda is used to tenderize the meat, and the cornstarch is used as a thickening agent for the sauce. Next, thoroughly mix in all of the marinade ingredients into the meat with a spoon or clean hands. Then set aside the meat while you make the stir-fry sauce. In a separate bowl or container, you're going to combine oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, I used brown sugar, black pepper, and white vinegar. Now mix all of the sauce ingredients together, then set aside for later. In a large pan, add some vegetable oil or olive oil, then your aromatics, ginger and garlic. After you've added your aromatics, allow them to cook for a bit until fragrant. My pan was definitely too hot, so I needed to carefully watch the ginger and garlic to prevent them from burning. Next, you'll add in your marinated beef. This is the largest pan that I have, so I just poured everything in at once. I could have cooked the meat in batches, but it all worked out in the end. You'll want to make sure that you spread out the beef in the pan and allow it to cook undisturbed for a couple of minutes to get a nice sear on the meat. Since my pan was too hot, you'll see that I got a little more than a sear. However, I think I prefer it this way. After the beef has cooked for a couple of minutes, start stir-frying it to cook thoroughly. Next, add in your broccoli. I used fresh broccoli that I cut and stored in the freezer. Some recipes that I've seen call for cooked broccoli that's been blanched in ice water, and others call for raw broccoli. It seems that either way will work as long as your broccoli is still crunchy. Go ahead and mix the beef and broccoli together to start cooking the broccoli and continue cooking the beef. Lastly, pour in your stir-fry sauce and mix until the beef and broccoli are well coated. Allow everything to cook for a few more minutes until the broccoli is cooked but still has a crunch to it, and until the beef is cooked to your liking. You'll see that the sauce is thickened because of the cornstarch and is also glossy and shiny. You can serve this dish over rice or eat it as is. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments if you plan on trying out this recipe and what your favorite takeout meal is. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.